Scaffolding, a difficult job for real men with great endurance. Every day at any given construction site, scaffolders transport up to 5 tons of materials in all weather conditions. But fewer and fewer want to do the job because scaffolding today remains an alarmingly dangerous and difficult manual activity. KEWAZO cares about people. As a result, KEWAZO introduces Liftbot, a robotic construction lift that supports scaffolders by automating operations. As a digital construction worker, Liftbot helps to get the job done with only 2 scaffolders. Liftbot is installed in 20 minutes and requires little space. Liftbot is fully battery-powered and entirely wireless. Forget manual control. Liftbot finds its destination automatically and transports materials safely at double the speed. The scaffolding's 3-part side protection remains. Forget about landing level safety doors. This simple automation will save you up to 44% of cost. Forget physical strain. Loading and unloading is safe and ergonomic. Keep your workers safe and healthy while enhancing performance. Find your new digital worker and mitigate labor shortage. Enhance transparency in your operations via a real-time data analytics platform. Let Liftbot do the heavy lifting and save your energy for what really matters.